Hey, what's up, Holochain holders? So this is a many congratulations and very good news for all Holochain holders because my brother, after a very long time, you can see my friend Holochain will starting pumping up. So I think we know holders are starting buying, holders are starting investing. Then the price is completely moving upward. Then the price is completely increasing. In this time, as you can see, my friend, in the last 24-hour change occurring, you can see here. So 3.55%. I think it's not a small pump. It's really huge, and when a holder are starting buying, then remember our address too, the price is increasing. So therefore this time, as you can see my friends, the hollow chain price is more and more increasing. If we check out my friends the more update to what's going on, so this time you can see here last 1 hour 0.57% price increase, in last 1 day 3.55% increase, in last 7 days 6.15% increase. So definitely when a holder are starting buying, investing, then the holders please try to understand, especially if they are invested only for 5 days, in upcoming 5 days experts says to the really huge explosion is coming soon, and there is a chance so they will get 15% profit more. My friends, there is a chance to 15%, the price is more increase now. So I think that's really good news for all of you, and hope you will also, my friends, do this what I tell you. Please research personally, because this is not a financial video, I just advise you. But please, if you do this, so I hope you will earn a lot of money. Kindly just in only 5 days hold, and after that specially sell it. I will give you 100% guarantee to they will give you a very good profit. My friends, I am doing this, so therefore I will tell you, but otherwise please you research personally, I tell you again and again. But my friends, expert says to the 15% profit is coming soon. So I think this is a really good chance to we will get a profit in very short time. So don't miss this chance, and I cannot want to everyone can, my friends, get a profit. I also want my friends to get everyone one profit, and completely they will make you a millionaire. So this, therefore this is possible. But if you are starting holding, and if you follow my advice, if you follow what I do, so please holders subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. And my prediction is 100% going positive. And what's your prediction? Tell me in the comment box. My opinion, please hold down and don't starting selling. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.